Hello and welcome to this video where we'll go into creating a free Power BI web version, the free trial for Power BI. And in the web version, this will be suitable for students. And as I'm teaching students in class, usually there's a lot of students with Mac computers and there's no Power BI desktop available for Mac. Instead, you could install Windows, but that is the hassle as well, but it would work, but maybe not for everyone. That's why I've chosen to use the web version here, and we'll create a free trial using the Microsoft 365 student account. If you have a business Microsoft 365, then it will be even easier. You could create a free trial directly there. And you will also get access to OneDrive and SharePoint, which is really useful. But in this course, it's not available. Then we'll use Github actually for providing data. I will show you how to do that later on. But for this video, I'll show you how to get started with the free trial. And then we'll go into showing how to create a workspace and explaining a little bit of what that is. Since I've already created a Power BI free trial account, then I will show you the documentation that I've made, and these are available in the description of the video. Here you can see setting up Power BI, and you can see we will be using Power BI services, and which is an online tool for creating visualizations. Follow the instructions below to get access to a 60-day free trial of Power BI. What you do first is that you go into this home page here. If you follow along and have this in description, you can click on this one and you will come into the home page, getting started with Power BI. Here you can just try for free and you can click this one. Since I already have an account, I won't do that. You click on that one and then you come into here. And you need to follow the instructions to log in there and go into using your student email address if you're following along as a student. Otherwise, if you have Microsoft 365 business account, it will, and you just follow the instructions there. And when you're in there, you click on sign up for Fabric free trial you can click here. I'll show you this picture here. If I zoom in a little bit, here, if you click on yourself here, you will be able to choose here, start a Fabric trial. And that will give you if you see here, Power BI trial status, so 60 days or 59 days, or you will see Fabric free trial, or you can take a look into here that it should say Power BI trial or Fabric trial, then it's fine. Just take a look into that, and this is how it looks like. Now I will move into Power BI and show you how to get started with a workspace. Here I have logged into my account, and as I have some things already, you can see I have it on recent here. But if you just created your account, you maybe not have anything here, but that is totally fine. We'll create a workspace here. This is the workspace, and what the workspace is, you can see it as a shared folder where you will have your semantic model, your reports, etc., where you can collaborate with team members and they will have the same workspace to work on. You can collaborate on different things, for example, creating the report together. You could model the data together, etc. In workspaces, you click here and you can create new workspace. And here you just give a name for this workspace. And you need to have a globally unique name, testing or demo workspace. And here workspace, description workspace for demoing on YouTube. And workspace image, you can add that if you want. To domain, we don't need that. Let's see. And this is me. And here you can see which workspace type that you should choose here. And what I will choose is Fabric free trial, because this is the free trial that I have. And yeah, small semantic model storage, that is totally fine. And develop template apps, don't need that. Click on apply here. Now I have created a workspace. In this workspace, you can here, for example, create a new item, and you can choose like semantic model, report, dashboard. You can pick whatever there is here. There's a lot of things you can pick if you're in the Fabric free trial, but for this course, we will just go into usually like semantic model and the report, and also I will show you how to share this with friends. What you can do here is that you click here on manage access, but I will show that on a later video. This is actually where I will stop for this setup. Have you come this far? Great, good job. And let's go on to the next video where we will go into actually getting data into semantic model and start building a report, or just connect it to the report. That will be quite interesting. In this video, we have gone through how to set up a Power BI free trial or Fabric free trial, and this is very suitable for you if you're a student, but this will work as well if you're Microsoft 365 business account, but that is even better since you will have access to OneDrive and SharePoint, which will be quite much easier when you're working with data and getting data into the semantic models. However, it will work fine for students as well, as we will use GitHub for our data. That will be really interesting. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one where we will actually build out the semantic model.